Hey, what's going on YouTube? Gary here with Low Voltage Designs. I went ahead and picked up one of the new iMac 24-inch computers, and I just want to do a quick unbox and migration video for it. You can see here, starting price is $12.99 for the basic version, and then you can go $14.99 and $16.99 and up, depending on how you configure it. The base model, comes in 4 colors, while the more expensive ones, there's 7 different colors you can choose from. It's got the Apple M1 chip, 8-core CPU, 256 solid-state drive, and then you can go up from there. The difference between the cheaper one is there is 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports on the cheaper version, and as you go, the more expensive one, you get 2 USB 3 ports and 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports with the USB-C connection. Also, on the least expensive one, there is no RJ45 connection. So you would need to use one of the 2 ports that are there and have an adapter to go USB-C to RJ45. On the $14.99 one and up, there's actually a RJ45 connection on the power brick. And so the Ethernet cord goes into the power brick, and then it travels up to the computer through the round plug on the back of the computer. The data and the power goes up through the same cable. So yeah, if you want to see the specs, any more specs, you can go head over to the Apple website and check it out. Yeah, open up the box. It comes with the standard, Apple packaging. They really package everything up pretty nicely. You got the 24-inch iMac. Really is thin. It's nice. Not heavy at all. It comes with a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. Also comes with a wireless mouse, power cable, and the power brick. The power brick right there, that's where you plug the RJ45 Cat5e cable coming out of your wall, and then it runs up to the computer through the power cord. It's a round plug that plugs into the back of the computer. I wish the Magic Keyboard was the one with the numeric keys on the end of it, so I ended up buying that separately. To me, I just like having that on the keyboard and on the right side instead of having to use the numbers up top, depending on what you use, I guess. But that's my preference. But there, that was the round connection where the power cord goes in. You really see how small thin the computer is. It really is as thin as an iPhone. Compared to the older ones that bubbled out in the back. But yeah, I use the migration assistant. You open it up on the old machine as you're turning on the new one, and it kind of asks, and you just choose that you're migrating from a Mac to another. It gives you a code. It starts to analyze all the data, how much you're going to be migrating over. It has you set your password for your accounts on the new machine. And then it starts to migrate all the data over. It really was a smooth process. Didn't have any issues with it. I did it over Ethernet, and so it didn't take too long. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and comment and subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos get posted. Thanks.